going on in the market, IITs, NITs, right? So the manufacturing unit was what? Sri Chaitanya College and Narayana colleges, right? So those producing IITs and NITs outside, right? So I joined into Sri Chaitanya College. I completed my 10th class in Geetham C Techno School from Khammam. So later on, I don't know what is the full form. I don't know even the full form of IIT also. So till 10th class, I joined into my father forced me to go and become an engineer, right? So from childhood, I want to be a doctor actually. So I joined into Sri Chaitanya College in 2013. 2013, I completed my 10th class and I joined into intermediate. So guys, when I joined into intermediate, Sri Chaitanya College, that into Vijayawada. So I have done my studies there. I worked hard. I pushed my, that too not even a co-ed campus. That too boys campus separate and girls campus separate. And in one hostel there are 2,000 boys. Waking early in the morning, 5 o'clock, and that alarm rings. Right, one song you will keep and you will wake. That is a wake up alarm clock for us. I used to wake up. First 6 months, what is difficult for me to develop such kind of habits into myself that waking up early in the morning, it's not a habit for me. So never joined in any IIT coaching centers also, NIT coaching centers also. In my 6th class, there were even 6th class foundations also, but I didn't join. So I directly went into Sri Chaitanya College. I worked hard because just only option is I wanted to get a seat into a good engineering college so that I can complete my engineering from there. Even though I got sir even in JNU Hyderabad, but I rejected that college because I never wanted to study in Hyderabad because I know Hyderabad engineering colleges, but us students are, even though I don't like the culture of Hyderabad, that's the reason I just chose the NIT. So I just wanted to develop my skills. I want to cross the other stage so that I can improve myself. That is the only reason I just went into NIT. And so guys, after going into NIT college first year, that went very well. And I was spending, sir, literally, sir, you believe me or not, I was spending 500 rupees in a day because when you release from jail, when you release from jail, out of jail, when you go for 2 years, you are to jail and you come from there. So how you enjoy the freedom? So that is the freedom I have when I passed out from Sri Chaitanya College. So I enjoyed my first year of engineering. So guys, network marketing. I don't know even what is the word of network marketing. I got the presentation from one of my friend who is studying in NIT right now. That is the summer holidays. I got that opportunity, sir. That is all obviously my first previous company, Ebis.com Private Limited. So sir, after listening to the presentation, the only thing that I got into my mind is, he asked me only one thing: do you have dreams? I told him yes. What is your dream? He told me, I just replied him, sir, I want to become an IAS officer. He told me, I'm asking you dream. I want to be an IAS officer. No, I'm not asking you a goal, I'm asking you a dream. I'm not asking you what you want to become in life. I'm asking you what is your dream. Right? I was confused literally. I don't know what is dream and goals and all, right? So from childhood only we study. What is that? Go to school, get good grades, get good marks, get good job, life settle. Life settle. This is the only education which we are getting. Even though right now also that is what I have got. And I know what is goal, what is dream. And you told me that ESJ concept, and later I understood, yes, something can happen. From ES quadrant to ES. He literally showed me how many people are categorized into. And I understood. Today, even though I am into NIT, even I get placement from there, I will be going into the same rat race job and I will be doing some. It means from my childhood. From my childhood, I have I'm a such kind of person. I wanted to do something different in life, but I don't know how to do so. I don't know how to do. I'm not finding for opportunities, but I want to do something different in life. And that day when I saw the presentation of network marketing, I really fell in love with network marketing plan and idea. That day I decided, कुछ करना है तो इससे ही कुछ करना है सर. तो इससे मतलब कुछ बड़ा करना है, आगे जाना है. ऐसा करके मैंने डिसीजन लिया और मैंने काम करना शुरू किया सर. second year of engineering, I joined in network marketing. Not even a single doubt came into my mind. I didn't ask anything. Product कैसा है, cost, case, nothing I have asked. Just I fall in love with ESJ concept and I take a decision. I joined in network marketing. So guys, later on, joining is easy, right? And everyone will do it. ID बनाना है, बस purchase करना है, खत्म हो गया. Later on, when I started working in network marketing, I'm telling you, so many challenges came, right? Rejections came, negativity. Sir, in my college was divided into two wards. One, I'm a side, I'm the villain, and so totally divided into two parts. It means I wanted to tell my sharing simple and short stories, sir. Bas a time hai to. Guys, very important story. Please focus here. There is a water colony beneath the ocean, and so many waterfall families to live in the beneath the ocean. In the ocean, it means there is an ocean, big ocean, and there were so many water bugs. Family used to live together beneath the ocean. One of the water bug, some of the water bugs have splendor bite. All the water bugs were friends. Some of the water bug have a platinum bites, and some of the water bug have even a Suzuki also Gixxer, and some of the water bug is having KTM also too, right? And some of the water bugs are having Skoda car, and some of the water bugs is having Honda Verna. And all the water bug family used to live together, and one water bug decided to go in the upward direction. What is the upward direction? Ocean above the sea. What is there in the upward direction? This water bug wanted to know. Actually, above the sea, what will be there? Above the sea, the only thing is sunrises will fall. The only symbol sunrises will fall. Correct? Sunrise comes on and it falls, right? This water bug, when decided to go on upward direction, one water bug noticed other water bug is traveling in the upward direction. Where it is going? So much curious and excited to know where it was going. And when that water bug decided to go up, after slowly sir, that water bug disappeared. And completely that was not, this water bug cannot able to see that water bug. And it is having so much curious and excitement. This water bug disappeared. I want you to know this where it was going actually. And because of curiousness, this water bug decided that day I also wanted to go up in the upward direction, and I wanted to know what is there in the above the sea. When that water bug decided, it went to his mother, father, and asked, Papa, mujhe jana hai. Right? I wanted to go. Where you want to go? I wanted to go up. What is there up? Sunlight. I wanted to see sunlight. I wanted to sunlight that. No, there is nothing called sunlight there. Above the sea, there is nothing called sunlight. You don't waste time and all the things. Just go and read books and have a study. And mother also studying like anything. Mother complained to actually sir when that water bug is not listening to his mom. His mom called to his mamaji, right? His mom called to his brother to warn to this water bug. His mamaji came. His mamaya came, right? And his mamaya came and he stood there. Where you want to go? He told Mamaji, sunlight above the sea. Sunlight? I have seen so many oceans in my entire experience. There is nothing called sunlight there. Chasing sunlight is a complete waste of time and money. Why you are chasing all the stuff? Just go and study hard, na? Get good job. You will be marrying to other water bug. And after some few years, and you will be having some more other water bugs. Bring on this cycle, now you are chasing sunlight. His Mamaji replied, sir, and that water bug started going in the upward direction. And after going to some level, it crossed, and this Mamaji disappeared, mom disappeared, dad disappeared, nobody is there. Water bug got, something fear inside. Mom, I couldn't able to see mom also, dad also, mom also, with relations going. And water bug, sir, when that fear came into inside of water bug, that day it only one quote, that is, courage is not taken a decision in the absence of fear. Courage is taken a decision in the presence of fear. In the taken a decision in spite of fear. ఎప్పుడైతే మనకు భయం ఉంటుందో ఆ టైంలో మనం తీసుకునే డెసిషన్స్ నే యాక్చువల్ కరేజ్ అంటారు. సో అది వాటర్ బగ్ got that sir, and water bug started going in the opposite direction. After some time, again few friends came. They got birthday cake and they are coming to the water bug and Chuno, where are you going? Chasing sunlight. What sunlight? No, I wanted to go up. I have some other this and all the things. The water bug will reply. And this all the friends. You forgot us. Where is your 20 years relationship gone? That friendship gone? दोस्ताना कहाँ है? सब कुछ चला गया है. सब आपको sunlight ही सब है. Everything is sunlight for you. Go. See, I'm very sorry. I have some bigger goals to chase in my life, and I'm going. And it started moving on the upward direction, and friends also disappeared. And again, that water bug, decided inside that he got fear, but again remind. Courage is not taking a decision in the absence of fear, taking a decision in spite of fear. Guys, that water bug, when it disappeared and nobody is there, it couldn't able to see anyone. And you know what happened? The first water bug which travel in the upward direction is coming from the upward direction to the below direction. These two met in the middle. hi. That water bug replied, hi, where are you going? This water bug, no, I'm going upward. Why you are going? Sunlight. No, there is nothing sunlight there. There is nothing called sunlight. You just come along with me. Let's go. Again back to the home. And this water bug, acha, there is nothing sunlight. I'll tell you an example. If you want to, if Virat Kohli is there, and there is a Sachin Tendulkar who is a successful cricketer, and there is a Vinod Kambli who is a failure cricketer, right? If Virat Kohli want to learn cricket, he will take suggestions from whom? Vinod Kambli or Sachin Tendulkar? Sachin Tendulkar. Why? Because he is a successful cricketer, right? And now whom you are taking decision? You did Mr. Permanent Failure. This water bug will reply to that. Mr. Permanent Failure. Temporary failure is a success. Permanent failure is a failure. And this treats as permanent failure. Mr. Permanent Failure. Tell me one thing. Whom you are listening to? Vinod Kambli or Sachin Tendulkar? Reply to Vinod Kambli. Go. Your friends are waiting for you. They are ready to, make a comment. They are ready to make fun of you. गया ना ऊपर sunlight देखने के लिए क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ. They are ready to make fun of you. Just go. Right? All the rest, just go down. And this water bug replied, no, I will go and I will start anti-sunlight.com. Come, chasing sunlight is a complete waste of time and money. Please don't do that. I'm going to start anti-sunlight.com. He will reply to that and he will go from there. And again, this water bug will go up. When it started going up, sir, I'm truly speaking, after some time, nothing will be there, even friends, and so much fear because it is coming from the upward direction, not even seeing sunlight. And somebody who's coming from the upward direction is telling that there is no sunlight, again got so much fear into that water bug. Sir, after it moved on, and it's landed on a lily leaf. On the above the sea, there is a lily leaf, and water bug landed on the lily leaf. After landing on the lily leaf, my dear friends, just 5 to 10 minutes, sunlight came, and that rays fall on the water bug, and that water bug slowly got wings. And after some few time, that water bug is converted into a dragonfly. And I'm telling you, it means what I want to tell you from the story. Entire journey, that water bug is flying in above the sky, and all the friends were all dragonflies. And that water bug decided, if I can convert from myself from water bug to dragonfly, then my friend also can convert from water bug to dragonfly. But the thing is, he need to pass the journey which I have passed in the last few years. Getting your point? So guys, with this, just I wanted to tell, in my journey, just like water bug, I started so many negativity, disappeared, challenges, even so many. My first year, 2 years network marketing, there is no income. And if I talk about Vestige, sir, I met you, sir. When I met you, I'm at 14% level, and today I can proudly say I'm a diamond director in Vestige, and today I'm having a more than 4,500 plus people all across the country. So, sir, we have just started, sir. ज़्यादा time नहीं है, sir. Next time definitely we'll be doing very big from our team. And sir, I'm completely dedicated to network marketing. My life has been dedicated to network marketing. And truly speaking, sir, I told you I'll become UCD, but you told me UCD is not a big deal, earn 5 lakhs per month. So today, when I hit 1 lakh, my last 3 months income, 4 months income was around 3,38,000 rupees. Seriously telling you, my first 6 months, there is no income in Vestige. My last 6 months, I just went on 1 lakh, and this is not a game of earning 1 lakh from my team. I have sir already written, just I'll call you for come home also, and we'll do very big, sir. That's all from my side. And sir, at last, your why, your actions, and your priorities. Why, actions, and priorities. Why you are doing Vestige? I question myself what I wanted to do from my life, how Vestige can help me to achieve my goals. मुझे क्या चाहिए लाइफ में और हाउ Vestige कैसा हेल्प करेगी, कैसा मदद करेगी वो गोल्स को अचीव करने में, वो मेरा वाई स्ट्रॉन्ग था. सेकंड थिंग, एक्शंस विद हाउ आई नीड टू ग्रो माय बिजनेस, आई एम अबाउट दिस. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज प्रायोरिटीज. Priorities means all the problems come when you don't set priorities. That's the biggest problem now. Priorities means you prioritize to some other thing. That's the reason you give time to that thing, and you start complaining that I don't have time. I am into that busy work. This is what happening, sir. Why? And simple short, sir. Why? And actions and priorities. And at last, so thanks, bolna chahunga, sir. I'm so much thankful to you, sir. So I'm expecting big things from you also, sir, from your side also, sir, support and all. Support means, sir, मैं करूँगा sir, 99% I will do the things, sir. The only thing is I need your blessings. That's it. Thank you so much everyone.